All right, hey, Josh here, Acoustic Lumber Company. Out here, as you can see here, the guys are actually putting up this acoustic ceiling liner panel. You can see what this guy did here. Build a 60 by 120, and this building right here, a 50 by 60, and you can see the hoop right there. But I want to show you here in this video. And by the way, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and so forth. But what we're doing here, before I go up there, check out this perforated acoustic panel. Now, this has a 10-year guarantee, and the only difference between that and like a sidewall exterior ceiling, or sidewall steel or roof steel, is the paint system. So if you look at this, you see how that has, what it does is noise reduction. See how that is right there, noise reduction on that acoustic. See those punch outs in there? You can see what he did right here. He put you can see right there, he put the OSB backer on there. So definitely different ways to do things, and so forth. But you're gonna have a superstar. This is how LeBron James, Jerry West are made here, but you can see, look at the OSB here, the backer that he ran up here about 8 feet. And then the guys are coming back and then putting this acoustic ceiling liner panel up there. And you can see what he did. If we go over here and look at this, he spray foamed this. Now spray foam, this has an R value of R50 right here. And again, compared to, let's say if you're gonna put an R19 fiberglass in there, the spray foam, boy, there's gonna be no air coming through there. It seals everything. So you can see the spray foam. Is it worth the money though? So you gotta ask yourself, what's the use case of your building and what you're looking to do? But you can see the spray foam right there. And as we pan over here, but you can see here different, how this angles up here. Obviously this guy, he's gonna have good arch on his shot. Definitely, you don't want to shoot it flat if you're gonna be a superstar basketball player. You can see there's a spray foam in between the laminated columns. You can see the laminated columns right there in between that 8-foot spaces. Spray foam up there. And then also, you can see with the top beam header right there, you can see OSB. See that OSB was applied there, and then the spray foam was sprayed right there. So for those of you looking to do spray foam, a couple things you want to keep in mind there. So that kind of gives you an idea. But originally this was a 60 by, well actually not originally, but it's 60 by 120, and then you can see it was partitioned. This section right here, 50 by 60, and you can see plenty of height. Obviously electrical's up, ceiling fans. But you can see the hoop. This guy's gonna have, you know, superstar grandson or son player. So that's what you can do. For more videos, subscribe to the channel, AcousticLumber.com. Acoustic Lumber since 1925.